At Chai Car Servicing and Repairs, which is a subsidiary of Smile Servicing, we give you the convenience of free collection and delivery. By entering your vehicle registration on our website, you can see a menu of services and options with prices specific to your car. We will also tell you when your MOT is due. If you don't know which service your car needs, our online booking tool helps with that too. We will collect your car in the morning, conduct the MOT and service, then return it back to you in the afternoon. All you have to do is book it online and you don't pay till the work is done. Chai Car Servicing and Repairs is consistently 5-star rated across a variety of online resources. We hope to maintain that high standard, and we will contact you after the work is complete to get your feedback on how we've done.
I've been using Smile Servicing and Repairs since I first got my very first car. Highly recommend them. My favourite thing is the free collection and delivery when they come and get my car from me. Being female, it definitely makes things a lot easier with their customer services, how they explained everything to me, especially the mechanical jargon. It can be quite overwhelming. Their customer service from start to finish is fantastic, extremely reliable and offer a great service.
Simply enter your registration and book your 1P MOT today.